Back at it, little about a lot. Today we're doing a little adulting. Are you ready for a little? It's time to clean your dryer vent. If you haven't done this in like ever, then maybe you should think about it. Yes, there's actually stories about people's houses burning down because they have too much dryer stuff in their vent. The reason you do this is, of course, to prevent forest fires. So this is a dryer vent cleaner. So this dryer kit cleaning thingy I got from Amazon. You just hook it to a regular drill. Has this little brush here, has these poles here. They all interconnect together. You put the brush on one end, you screw it on, and it has different sections on there. You just screw them together, and when you turn on the drill, it rotates the end of it, and that's how it gets clean. Depending on your dryer vent setup, you use a different size, different lengths of poles. We live in a one-story house, but the vent stack is of course going out the roof. So this thing is like 20-something feet long. Pull it apart in the attic, clean it out there, then I go down where the dryer is in our house, then I clean it out until the place I get to where I was when I was in the attic. We're up in the attic. We've identified our dryer vent from all the other vents that go through your roof. So down there from the house is the dryer. It comes up through here and goes off there through the roof. So I'm going to untape the dryer vent from here, pull it apart, then I'm going to take that dryer vent cleaning tool, shove it up there with the drill back and forth. I'm going to use the shop vac to help suck all of that debris out when I'm bringing it back and forth. So I have my drill hooked up to my dryer cleaning vent tool. I have my shop vac with the hose going into the vent. I'm going out the attic this time. And all you do is you connect the tool, pull the trigger, it rotates, and as it rotates you just push it up. And so I have 3 of the connections here, or 3 of the links here. And as I get closer there, I'm going to add some of the more links so I can push it all the way up to the roof. So let me turn on the shop vac and we'll see how this works. Now that I have like the first 6 feet done, I'm going to unattach the drill here. And I'm going to attach a few more links. So the next step is to pull the dryer out of place so you can access the vent. Once you're back here, you're going to have to remove the removable part of the vent to the vent stack. Now you're almost done, so one more step. This is the tape you use for vents. This is foil tape. It's called duct tape, not duct tape. So we'll go up in the attic, we'll put the pipes together, we'll add this tape to it. again, this is a yearly thing for me. I go up in the attic, I pull it apart, I clean up, I clean down, I vacuum it out. If you haven't done this, you're going to expect a much worse vent. It's going to have a lot more stuff in it. By cleaning this vent, you can expect a little bit quicker drying times, a little more efficiency, and of course, a better vent. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, see you on the next one.